My dear students, I am going to teach you the addition of two numbers. My dear students, addition is a very important chapter in mathematics. This is the initial chapter of mathematics. Will you add two numbers? I am taking first question. There are two numbers 478 and second number 756. We have to add these two numbers. My dear students, first of all, write down these two numbers in this manner and then mark the rows. This is the first row, this is the second row, and this is the third row. You have to take from right to left. First row, second row, and third row. Here I have written about these rows. Now we have to make the operation on these rows. First, I take first row. First row is 8. In first row, there are two numbers 8 and 6. First row, 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Add these two numbers, you will get 14, and you have to write this 14 in two manners. Write 4 under first row and 1 above the second row, and this is carry on second row. 4 write down here, and this 1 above the second row. This is the second row, this is 1. Now take second row. In second row, now there are three number 175. 175 is equal to 13. Again write this 13 in two ways. Write this 3 under second row. This is the second row. This is 3. Write 1 above 3, above third row. And this is carry on third row. 1 on third row. Now take third row. This is third row. And what are the numbers of third row? 1, 4, and 7. Add these three numbers, 1, 4, 7 is equal to 12. Now at this time, we are not going to bifurcate these two numbers because there is no next row. We have to put this 12 under the third row. This is 12. My dear students, how it is simple. You have seen addition is a very simple process. According to this rule, there will be no mistake if you do like this. Now this question, first one, is the addition of the two numbers, and sum of these two numbers is 1234. So I am taking one question more. My dear students, question number 2. Question number 2 is, question number 2, in question number 2, first number is 57,000. 57,986. This is the first number, and second number is 75,659. My dear students, I have taken two numbers. So we have to add these two numbers. This is the sign of addition. Now, what I have done in the first question, mark the rows. This is the first row. Here, write down first. This is the second row. Write down second. This is the third row. Write down third. And this is fourth. And this is fifth. And these are the rows. Now, my dear students, we have to operate all the rows one by one. Take first row. This is the first row. In first row, there are two numbers 6 and 9. 6 plus 9. Add these two numbers. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. How will you write this 15? In two ways. Write 5 under first row. This is first row. Write 5 under first row, and this 1 goes to second row. Above, you can write above second row. This is. Now here 5. Write here 5. Write here 5. And 1 above the second row. This is second row. Now operation of second row. This is first row and this is second row. Operation on second row. Now you have to take 185. 1. Now 1 is also a member of this row. A number of this row. 1 plus 8 plus 5 is equal to 14. Now write 4 under second row. This is second row, under second row, and this above third row. Now write 4 under second row and first above third row. This is. Now third, row third. Operation on row third. Now there are three numbers in third row. 1 is also a number of this row. 1 plus 9 plus 6. The sum of these three is 16. Now again, bifurcate this 16 under third row. This is third row, under third, and it goes in the next. And 1 goes in the next, and it means above fourth row. 6 under third row and 1 above fourth row. Now take fourth row, row fourth, and write down all the numbers of the fourth row. 175. 175 is equal to 13. My dear student, bifurcate this 13 again. This is first fourth row. Third under fourth row. Under fourth row, and 1. Where is 1? Above next row. Next means 5 row. Third under fourth row and 1 above fifth row. Now operation of fifth row. There are three numbers in fifth row. This one is also a number of the fifth. 1 plus 5 and plus 7 is equal to 13. Now, my dear students, here you have to see this is the last row. There is no next row. So, therefore, the sum of this row, the total sum of this row, you have to write down under 5, and this whole number under 5. Under row 5. Because no next row. No next row. So, write down 13 under this row. This is 13. My dear students, this is the sum of these two numbers. This is the addition of these two numbers. How it is easy, you have seen in two questions. My dear students, you yourself apply this method in 1, 2, or 3 questions, you will get the sum is right. And the method is very easy. So, my dear student, in the next part, I will take 3 or more numbers. In this part, I have taken 2 numbers. These are the 2 numbers, yani first and second. In this part, I took 2 number. In third part, I will take 3 numbers. Then the addition of 3 numbers you will see in the part second. So, my dear student, this is the addition of the 2 numbers with a very simple method. This is a very simple way of addition. This is not a trick. In so many videos of YouTube, you will see this is a trick. This is not a trick. This is a simple method of addition. So, apply this method, you will be very expert in addition. There will be no mistake in addition. In the last, my dear students, I want to make a request to you. Please subscribe the channel. I shall be very thankful to you.